What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another POV drive in my Catless Stage 1 X5. We are tuned and it says that we have 480 horsepower, but that's not exactly true because I feel like we have, with the Stage 1 tune, I feel like we have like around 360. Yeah, sport displays. Look, 480 horsepower, 560 pounds-feet of torque. It's kind of good. But we have around like 360 with the Stage 1 tune, and we do gotta fill up. We have 71 miles. Before we go hit the roads and do a POV drive, I'm gonna fill up, and hopefully it's not a lot because in Illinois the gas prices be crazy. It's like $4.70 right now. Also, let me know, guys, do you want me to record with my phone like this, or do you want me to record with my camera that was attached onto the window? I'm kind of like 50-50 on it. I don't know which one to pick, but for today's video I think we'll go with the camera again because it was good. Also, I can attach the mic near the exhaust so you guys will be able to hear the exhaust sounds. I am planning on getting like a mic, like a two-way mic, that way you guys can hear me and the exhaust at the same time. And right now we're gonna fill up real quick. First part of this video we'll film with the camera with my phone, and we do have a check engine light because we are Catless. We're at the gas station. Let's see how much it costs for 93. Let's see, $4.57. I'm gonna check out the Casey's near me. We're at Casey's. Hopefully the gas is like cheaper. Let's go over here. Let's see. Heck yeah, it's cheaper. Damn. There we go. Just gotta find the cheapest gas around your area. Look at that. Also, this is pretty cool. This thing goes up, and I just found out about this like a month ago, so it's pretty cool. I'm guessing it will be like, let's see, since the gas is that price, I think it's gonna be like 85 bucks. That wasn't too bad. 75 bucks. Damn. I was expecting it to be like 85 bucks. We just arrived at the Backroads. Look at that. We got the nice little sun up right now. I am gonna switch to the camera because I do feel like we do need some exhaust sounds right now. We got the camera set up and the microphone is set up. Now we go inside the car. Also drop some video ideas in the comments below, because whatever you guys want I'll make. But anyway, this is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, because it truly helps me out, and I really like making these videos because it's super fun. The sun is completely down and the moon is shining brightly, so I think it is time to wrap it up for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.